Hello listener, myself Liton Kumar Vishwas, student of Software Engineering Department from Daffodil International University. My ID is 173352231. In this video, I wanna present my first software engineering project using C language named e-learning system. At the time of implementation this system, I faced a lot of problem, but I can recover this problem with the help and support of Nusrat Jahan ma'am. So I heartily thanks to her for helping and supporting us. Before starting, I wanna say something about this system. As this is a e-learning system, so e-learning system is not only a part of education system but also a way of reaching goal or dream. It is mainly developed for students to acquire knowledge by using one system from anywhere of the earth. It will help both student and self learner to acquire knowledge and make themselves good at what they are willing to learn. It also helps to know about subject details, credit, subject duration, and document of subject. As the modern era is developing day by day, so if we wanna go in line with modern era, we have to be fast. So for this reason I developed this system using C language, and here is the main page of my system. Here press any key to continue, so I will press any key. Then here is the main option, student admin 0 to exit. If I press 0, the system will exit. If I press 1, that will go for student option. Then if I press 2, that will go for admin. As the system in the system I did not added anything, so I will go for option 2, admin. Then option 2, here is the main option for admin login, admin sign up, and 0 for main menu. If I press 0, I will go back to main menu. If I press 1, I will go to admin login panel. If I press 2, then I will go to admin sign up panel. As I didn't sign up, so I will go for admin sign up. So I am going for option 2. Then here is the admin sign up form. Here asking name, that will work as username. So I'll giving the name DIPU is 21. Password I will go for at the rate of DIPU. You have successfully done your registration. Then automatically we'll go to login panel. Here admin username that I already given in the sign up option, and now I will try with giving wrong option the system work or not. Then I am giving the right username and wrong password 12345. Here are star option are for security purpose, so that no one can log in by seeing the password. And I now press enter. Loading. Login failed, invalid name or incorrect password, retry. Yes, as I want to log in, so I will go for option retry. Then I will press Y. Here admin username, I am giving the correct username, DIPU, password at the rate of DIPU, and successfully logging. Here is the main option for admin: add subject, delete subject, modify subject, display subject list, search record, logout. If I press 0, then I will log out the system. And then if I press 1, I will be able to add subject. If I press 2, I will be able to delete subject. If I press 3, then I will be able to modify subject. And if I press 4, I will be able to display subject list. And if I press 5, I will be able to search record. As I did not added anything in this system, so I will go for option 1, add subject. Here is the entire full name of subject, and I will go for the name, software engineering project 1. Then enter code. Here is the subject code is WE213. Then credit. The credit for the subject is 3. Then duration. Here duration mean course duration. As the duration for this course is 4 months, so I'll go for 4 month, MONTH, 4 month. Then enter. Here is the document option. As it is a educational system, so we have to added document so that student can read the document for learning and knowing about subject. So here I will add something for checking. Then this will be will be very helpful in future or practical life. We have to learn file and function very carefully. And I will go for this, nothing more, as I am showing the system how the system work. Then I will enter. Want to enter another subject info, yes or no? um Firstly I will go for no, because I already added a subject information. Now I want to see the information and search information, modify information, delete information, so I'll go for option no, and then I'll press n. Here is the main option. Now as I added some subject information, firstly I will go for option 4 for display subject list. Then 4, here is the information, software engineering project name, code, KD, duration, document. Here press any key to continue, enter. Then search, I will go for search record that I added or not. Here I am going for option 5, enter name of subject to search the record. As I added software engineering project, so I'll go for software engineering project 1. Searching and search found. Here is the search record, and that I added. Here everything is showing, so system is working well. Now do we want to enter another search? No. So, I do not want to search again, so I'll go for option n. Here is the main option. Then I'll go for modify subject, for update. If anything admin added anything wrong, he can modify. Then I will go for modify. Then asking this system is asking the name, enter name subject to modify the record. So I'll enter the name, software engineering project 1. Record found. As I wanted to modify, then firstly it will search the subject all added have or not. Then after searching record found, enter new data record. Here I will add it software engineering project 1, code is WE213. Enter credit. I added credit as 3. Now I will go for 4 for seeing the update system or modify system work or not. Then in the duration 4 month, enter document. I am adding project is helpful for practical life. Press any key to continue. And now I will go for option 4, display subject list. Already have or not. 4 and already added, and that I added, that information is showing. Now I will go for delete subject. Does the system work or not for delete option? Then I will go for option 2, enter name. Enter name subject. Enter name subject name to delete the record. I will go for software engineering project 1. Record deleted for software engineering project 1, SWE credit document, everything is showing here. Then that. Now I will go for option 4, the already deleted or not. 4, no information here, so delete successfully work. Then now I will add a subject for checking in student info. Add subject. Suppose now I will add physics with lab. Enter code PHY 114. Enter credit 4. Enter duration 4 month. Enter document physics is an important part of science. Then I will press enter. Do you want to enter another subject info? Yes or no? Then now I will check if I add another successfully work or not, and then I will go for option yes. Why? That's one. Now I will go for software engineering project 1. Enter code SWE213. Enter credit 4. Enter duration 4 month. Enter document working on project is helpful for practical life. Want to enter another subject info? Yes or no? No, I'll not. Do not want to add another because I already added two. If it work, then system is successfully working. So I will go for n. Now I will display a subject list. Does the system work or not? Then 4, and already added all the subject information here. Press any key to continue. As all the admin form works successfully, now I will log out, then go for option 0, successfully logging out, then the admin login, admin sign up for main menu. Now I will go for student option, so I choose option 0, but for 0 for main menu 0. Here is the main menu, student, admin or exit. I will go for student. Now here is the main option for student, um, student login, student sign up or 0 for main menu. As I do not didn't sign up, so I will go for sign up for login. Now I will go for option 2, student name Deepu Vishwas, father name Akhan Vishwas, mother name Ditli Vishwas, date of birth Aro Rosh 1997, intermail .com, it is mail address, then school name KJPHSC HS Kokshadanipur Pilot High School, then high school result, high school year 2013, college name Kokshar Degree College, college result, here is college result, college year 2015, username. Now I will choose username for login. Here I will go for Liton, password has LITON. You have successfully done your registration. Here automatically go to login panel. Now I have to give username and password for login. Username I use LITON. Now I will check if I use wrong password, does the system work or not. 1 2 3 4 5, login fail, invalid name or incorrect password, retry. Yes, as I want to log in, so I will go for retry, and username LITON, password has LITON, and successfully login. Here is the main option for student. 1, view subject and details of subject, start quiz, quiz help, quiz results, search record, and 0 for logout. If I press 0, I will log out. So now firstly I want to see subject details and list, so I will go for 1. Here is the subject list, as admin I added. Now press any key to continue. Then I will go for 3, quiz help. Here is the help for quiz, that quiz system for checking in the system how I learned, for justice me for here is the help for quiz, best luck for your quiz. There will have 10 question, here will have 10 question, 10 marks for every question. you will get 10 marks for every correct answer. There is no negative marking. If you do make no negative marking. And finally, best of luck. Start quiz, press 1, or go to menu, press 2. Now I'll go to menu 2. Here is a start quiz. If I go for start quiz 2, enter your name. Where is start name? ILITON. Then your quiz is going to start. Press any key to continue. Here is the question. Now I will go for answer. What is the storage size for integer data? As the integer data, I will go for B. And correct answer. What is the storage size for character data? I will say by giving wrong answer what the system does do, and go for B. Wrong. The correct answer is C, 1 byte. Then which one is even number? Then I'll go for B, correct answer. Which one is prime number? I'll go for C, wrong answer. Correct answer is D, 7. Which country is the winner of 2014 FIFA World Cup? I will go for Germany, and correct answer. Which of the following function sets first and character for of a string to given character? Star set, star C set. Then I will go for C. Correct, wrong answer. The correct answer is B, strnset. Then the library function used to find the last occurrence of a character in string. I'll go for option C, correct answer. Then which of the following function is more appropriate for reading multi-word string? I'll go for option C, and correct answer. What will the function rewind do? Reposition the file pointer to a character reverse, reposition the file pointer stream to end of file, reposition the file pointer to beginning of that line, reposition the file pointer to beginning of file. If I press D, correct answer. Then this is the last question. Input output function prototype and macros are defined in which header file? Punyo.h, stdlib.h, stdio.h, dos.h. I will go for C, and it is correct answer. Finally, how many marks I have gotten, that is showing here. I got 70 marks. Press any key to continue. Here is the result. And now I will go for search record 5. Enter name of subject to search the record. Physics with lab, and searching successfully, showing the result. Here is the searching result. Do you want to another search? Yes, I will go for yes for checking does the system work or not. Software engineering project 1, searching, and the previous search cleared, and now showing the new search, and the system working perfectly. And do you want to enter another search? No, I'll go for no. Then now I will go for logging out. I will go for main menu. I want to exit, and successfully exited. Thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you for your valuable time.